It's a beautiful day over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa. This is Alex wanting to present to you our newest addition to our lot. Now this is a custom-built Deutsch off-road Wrangler. As you can see here, it's got the perfect setup in here. It's got a Mopar 2-inch lift with the Fox 2.5 shocks. We got 37-inch Ironman MTs on 17-inch fuel wheels. Up here in the front, we've got a nice stubby bumper with the bull bar and your rough country 9,500 pound winch. Scroll down up here real quick. This is actually a hood lock. So for those of you that don't know, the only thing holding your hood down is just these latches. There is no lock to it. So anyone can get into the Jeep if they really wanted to. Now you are covered. So you don't have to worry about anyone messing with your Jeep while you are out. Check underneath here. We've got the TerraFlex hydraulic bump stops. And there's your Fox 2.5's beautiful shock right there. Nice looking fuel wheels on there too. Got ourselves some nice rock sliders on there. And then over here on the sides, we've got the Oracle side lights. Now these are nice if maybe you like to go off-roading at night or you just want to make sure your presence is known. Also turns into a blinker as you saw there. Very nice touch on there. Go take a look at the rest of this beauty. Got your fender liners in there too, so you don't have to worry about rubbing those. Over here in the back, do have a license plate relocation bracket. Now this is really nice because it does get tricky to put a license plate on here when you've got aftermarket bumpers. So you don't have to worry about this getting in the way. You don't have to worry about nobody seeing it. You still get to keep your factory setup with the camera back there. I really do think that's kind of the best setup on there. On the back, if you do decide to tow, this is a lockable hitch. So this actually uses the factory key to unlock this. So you don't have to worry about losing your key or not finding the right one if you do need to tow something. One key works on everything on this vehicle. Take a look at the other side here. Beautiful Wrangler. Now this one does have the 2-liter turbo, which I am a fan of. A lot of power for a small package, and it absolutely has no issue moving these 37s. Let's go take a look on the inside here. Now this Jeep does have keyless entry, so the key never has to leave your pocket. Let's open it up. It does have the nice leather interior with the 1-touch sunroof. Now this is the best of both worlds. If you want your top open but don't want to get out, all you have to do is hit a button. If you want to take the doors off, you start getting a little bit too much sun, all you have to do is close the top. Really is the best of both worlds on there. As you can see here, we got the bronze coloring all on the inside to match the outside as well. And nice little touch here. Not only does it have one in the front, but it also has a rear camera as well. So there really isn't anything else you need to do to this Jeep other than get you in the driver's seat. This does have remote start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as the auxiliary switches. So if you wanted to add some aftermarket lights, all you have to do is plug and play. It's a beautiful Jeep. Got your garage door opener, the universal buttons right there. Got your auto dimming rear mirror. Now let's take a look on the inside here. There's your extra cap just in case. And you also have your winch cable. Let's go take a look at the back real quick. I do like the fact that you get extra cup holders in here. I know 2 might already be enough, but it's always nice having more. Plus you got the nice armrest back there. This does have the power outlet in the back as well as the extra USB ports. So everyone can stay connected. You can charge your laptop, anything you might need. Go over here to the back. Now this having the 8.4-inch screen, you do get the upgraded Alpine sound system. So you don't have to worry about adding anything else to this Jeep. This thing is a real beauty. This thing is ready for anything that you might want to do with your new Jeep. So come on down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa and ask for stock number PFR06772.